Hello everyone. So this is my part 2 of my Upwork job solve series. So today we are going to create an automation that will automatically post pins on Pinterest that can also be scheduled. So we are going to use three platforms here. First one is Pinterest obviously. The second one is Google Sheets and the third one is Make or formerly known as Integromat. So let's at first see the details of the job that I had collected from Upwork. So the client wanted, I needed a Zap or Integromat equivalent to post images and descriptions to Pinterest. The post will be made on a daily basis over a period of month according to the predetermined schedule. So we have actually two, I mean, automations needed here. First of all, the automated post on Pinterest. The second of all, the posting should maintain a schedule. I think using the most available platform, that is Google Sheet and Zapier. So let's get started with the automation at first. So I'm at first going to show you the automation part, I mean the automated posting of images descriptions part, and then I will also show you how we can add a scheduling component to it. So we will need, if you are not familiar with Zapier, Zapier is an automation platform where we can build automation sequences or automation modules between different softwares or different platforms. So I'm first of all going to use this new spreadsheet row trigger from Google Sheet. So then we will connect, we will select this new spreadsheet row, then select my account, then I will select the spreadsheet that I needed. I will select the worksheet now, click on continue. Yeah, let's get the most recent data for now. Yeah, so this is the one. So if you wanted, I mean, this is the Google Sheet format that I had used. So I have description column, images column, title column, the link column, and I have the date column, but we will use it a bit later. So for now we are going to use these four columns. So yeah, this is the column that we have. This is the description, this is the image URL. I have collected this image from Unsplash. You can just click on the image, copy its image address, and then just paste it in the required column. So yeah, this is it. Then click on continue. Yeah, now I am going to use the create a pin in Pinterest trigger. So I have selected Pinterest in the app and the event is create a pin. Then I have selected my account. Now for the board, I have selected this board vacations. If required, this board selection can also be dynamic. Let's say we have a field on Google Sheet named as boards, and then we can use it like we can just select that column and it will automatically uh, use that board for posting the pin. So for now I am going to statically select it, the vacation. So let me show you my current, this is a test, this is a test uh, posting that I had done recently. So all the new post will come up here. This is my vacation boards. Yeah, so this I have selected the image column from the Google Sheets, then the link column, then the title, and then the descriptions. So let's refresh it and then click on continue. Yeah, let's retest it. Yeah, as you can see that a pin was sent to Pinterest about 1 seconds ago. Let's check here if it's visible or not. Yeah, so as you can see I have two pins here. So this is the, I mean, last pin that I, this is the first one, this is the second one. And so now let's get back to the scheduling part. So to schedule, I mean, let's say we have, let's get back to the Google Sheet. So I have selected the date here as 14th of July. So I want that this pin would be posted tomorrow. So but now whenever a new spreadsheet row is created on Google Sheet, it will automatically post it as a pin. But we want to delay it up to tomorrow or the required date. Let's say I want to delay it up to 22nd of July. So how will we do it? We have to use the delay, search delay. This is a built-in Zapier function. So select delay. Yeah, then select delay until, because we are going to select the date here. So delay until, click on continue. Yeah, now we have to provide the date here. So as our date will be dynamic, so this is the column, this is the date column that we are going to use. And this is, I mean, we can select it if it's, I mean, if you are going to have some let's say you are creating the zap today but you have some scheduling, let's say 1 month before or 1 month, the date is selected like that. So I mean it's not that much important as we are going to obviously plan future scheduling. So click on always continue, then continue, then let's test and review. Yeah, a time was sent to delay Zapier about one. So the release at, so this is the, as you can see we are going to, we have selected the first, I mean the row, the first row has 22nd July as the scheduling date. So the release date will be on 22nd of July. Click on continue and the rest will be same. So you have to just click on publish and it will be good to go. Please let me know if you have any questions regarding this automation and how you might be able to use it in your business or in your professional life. Thanks for watching. I will get back with a, actually this is a 10-part series, so I will get back with 8 more Upwork job solves. Hopefully I will also get you there. Thanks for your time. Take care.